Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and welcome to my yarn room. Well, today is Monday Crochet Chat, so grab your cup of coffee, grab you something to drink, eat, whatever. Sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old yarny crochet talk. Well, I'd like to start off with I am drinking out of a cup that my daughter Jennifer gave me. It says, less Monday, more coffee. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I appreciate this. Good old black coffee. And I found out that this is Maxwell House. I thought it was Folgers, but I think it's Maxwell House. Now I gotta go back and look again. But anyway, this is just good old black coffee. Okay, guys, let's just dive right into our Monday crochet chat. Let's see. What do you call a pirate who skipped class to crochet? Captain Hooky. Captain Hooky. Okay, that's enough of that. Let's just move on. I'll show you the project that I am working on. I have, I'm making the Pixie, well, I know the name of it in a minute, but it's a robot. I'm making two of them, one for Knox and one for Ollie. Here they are. I still have just the arms and the legs, and the robots will be done. So I did not realize they were going to be this big, but I guess I'm okay with that. It's just they're little kids and they got little hands. But when I get the arms and legs on there, they can, I guess, drag it by that. But anyway, so yeah, that's how much I've got done. This is a free pattern from Lion Brand. The only thing that I did not care about on this so far is I just don't like making little bitty antennas where you only have 5 stitches going around and around. I just don't like that. Ugh, it's just hard. Anyway, let's see. What other kind of tips if you decide to make this? I would suggest that when you get like around here, I would go ahead and put the face on. No, I'm sorry. When you get this thing on, go ahead and put the face on because that is going to be level with the face. They have you to start down when you get down in here to go ahead and do the face and stuff. I would suggest when you do this and maybe do 1 or 2 rows under here or even just 1 row, go ahead and do your face. And I would go ahead and before you get all this going, I would go ahead and outline this and get this little thing. It's just you have more room inside this thing the shorter it is. And then when you do this, I never could get this to come out straight like a rectangle or a square. I don't know what it's supposed to be. So I improvised by after I got this done. Now this one, it seems straight, but my pockets or whatever, the patch, I don't know what that's supposed to be. Anyway, it just kept wanting to be kind of slanted on me. And so I just feel it when I went to not crochet, but when I went to work around it, then I just did a few more little stitches like from hand sewing it on, but it's still kind of slanted. But anyway, it's for a kid. They're not going to care. This one here, I think I did this one a little better. But as you can tell, see, it still probably needs another little gray piece right there. But anyway, that's it. So I'm having a lot of fun with that. I am using a B 2.25 millimeter crochet hook. They call for, I think, a 3.75. But since I am using, and I think that they're using Woolies, which may be a 4-weight yarn, I'm not sure, but I'm using 4-weight yarn, and I was hoping this would make it, you know, pretty small, but that's what I got with this. And I'll show you the yarn that I'm using. Okay, this is going to be part of the legs, and I don't know what this is. There's no label on it, but I'm using, one of them's going to have legs made in this color. It's slate blue. This is Big Twist, and the other one is going to have the legs and stuff made with Varsity Navy. Big Twist right here. And they both have the gray, which is medium gray, and it's a Big Twist. Now the only one that's not Big Twist is the gold part, which is Craft Smart, and it's the color of this is gold. So that's what I'm using for that. Yeah, So I'm having a lot of fun with that. I can't wait to get the legs. The legs are going to be striped. I'll put a picture right here. That's what it's supposed to look like. Guys, so here's the free pattern, Lion Brand. When you print it out, Pixie the Robot. So I hope everyone has had a great weekend. I mean, I have been busy and I've had a lot of fun this weekend. And so I hope you guys have too. Let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know devotion. Limitless. Again and again they limited God, preventing him from blessing them. Continually they turned back from him and wounded the Holy One. They forgot his great love, how he took them by his hands, and with redemption's kisses he delivered them from their enemies. Psalm 78, 41 and 42. Do you struggle with where you fit? Are you on a hunt to find your purpose? Do you feel like you've changed and the purpose you thought God had for you seems vastly different now? It can be so confusing, can't it? When we think our purpose is unclear, we can easily become blind to God's capacity. Friends, God has no capacity. We serve a God without limits. He tells us that in him anything is possible. You don't need to have confidence in what you can do, only in what he can accomplish through you. He is capable of absolutely anything, and his plans for you run deep. God, I open my heart and mind to the fullness of your love. Thank you for my purpose in life. Help me walk in a way that will fulfill that purpose. Hey, wasn't that just great? I'm so glad you guys enjoy that like I do. Let's see. My sign for the week is be the reason someone smiles today. So be that reason, guys. I'm going to work on it. I want someone to smile today. So I'm going to work on being the reason that someone smiles this week. All right, guys, don't forget to get up every hour so that you can take those steps, keep your heart pumping, keep your body active, because crocheting is a sit-down job, and it's easy to get lost in sitting and forgetting about our health. So it's good mentally and for your body as well. So get up every hour and walk. Just walk around the house, whatever. Just find something around the house to do that you got to do. If you see some socks laying in the floor over there, jacket hanging on the kitchen chair or something, go ahead and get up. Go put those few things up. And it keeps your body busy. So, and drink water. And then go back and crochet and enjoy it, because we all love crochet. All right, guys, let's see. Tomorrow, I guess I'll show the colors of my basket. We are doing a monthly basket crochet along on this channel. So people are sending in emails to me of their baskets. I'm seeing them on Facebook. And so I've already got February. Mine was it's already put up, so I can't show you, but it was a red basket. And I think I might have put white hearts on it. But this month, I've got my colors picked out for March, so I'll show that in tomorrow's video. And I am going to work on the rug, the racetrack rug. I will show you. It's a EKAYG. It's a free pattern, so I'll leave the link in the description box below. But it's EKAYG.com, and then you can type in racetrack rug, or if you want to go directly to the pattern, it's /racetrack-play-rug / and that will take you straight to this racetrack rug. Anyway, that's what I'm working on. Here are my yarns. I'm using all red heart, I believe, right here. Well, let me just pull some of it out, because some of you that have not seen it. I'm making it in the lime green, which is spring green, red heart, spring green, super saver, and white, and black. Those are the basic colors of the racetrack rug. Well, guys, I hope that you enjoyed today's video, the Monday Crochet Chat. I hope that I made you laugh with Captain Hooky. And so that's all that I have. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.